Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods, and today is day 4 of our forest bathing for people who are self-isolating in this current crisis. I'm taking you out every day for 30 days into the woods that I know and love and sharing them with you in hope that it brings a breath of fresh air while you're stuck indoors. So I am self-isolating too, but I am lucky, very lucky, to have a woodland next to my house where I can come and walk every day and refresh myself. And I'm hoping that it will refresh you too, secondhand. So we're practicing forest bathing, and forest bathing is about getting into our senses. It's about getting out of our mind, the little hamster wheel of thoughts, and into the body. And one very effective way of doing that is to get into our senses, to use our physical senses. This is mindfulness in nature, and it's about bringing ourselves very present into the current moment. And even though it's second-hand for you watching this, you're not here in the wood with me. The brain does not really know the difference between what's really happening and memories or imagination. You can have the same benefits from imagining yourself doing something as you can to do it. So I invite you to join me with your senses and imagine yourself here with me, and just know that that is creating physiological changes, biological changes in your body that make you weller. Hormones get released. The stress hormones are reduced. The heart rate goes down. There's so much research that's proving this. We don't need to go into that here, we just need to do it. So I'm sat here against this exquisite tree. It's a beauty. It's an oak tree, and it has these beautiful ivy stems growing up it, which have the most amazing texture. They're kind of furry. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. They're kind of furry and coarse, but at the same time soft. It's really hard to explain. And I love the way the ivy climbs up through every nook and cranny. It reminds me of blood vessels in a human body, floating through the tissues, going where they need to go. So beautiful. As I was sitting here just now, a pair of ravens flew overhead. They'll be nesting somewhere near, and I wouldn't want to be up there in that gusty wind, but they were just loving it. They were playing, having fun, I think. So making these videos is a huge experiment for me as a response to this crisis that we're in. Normally, when I go out forest bathing, I take out groups of people and we're working together in the woods, in person. I'm going to try to convey that on video so that you can get something from it. And what I suggest that you do is really imagine yourself here with me, doing the things that I'm doing, feeling the sensations, and tell me if it's working. Leave me some comments below. I'm struggling with the internet because of current events, and it's a bit difficult getting these videos uploaded, so please subscribe and ring the bell, the little bell beside the subscribe button, if you'd like to see more of these videos, because I can't guarantee when I'll be able to put them up. And I'll see you tomorrow.